morning, Eagles, and welcome to the 7th episode of Season 16 of Eagle News here at Hyatt's Middle School.
Today is Tuesday, August 30th, 2022. My name is Madeline.
And my name is Kit. Today we are celebrating Frankenstein Day. The unofficial holiday celebrates the life and times and of the English author Mary Shelley, who wrote one of the world's most read monster novels, Frankenstein, or the modern Prometheus.
It's not Frankenstein.
Prometheus.
It's not Frankenstein's birthday, but there are some Eagles out there whose birthday it is today.
Let's check it out. Roll it.
This is Ellie reporting for Eagle News, and I'm with Noah and Agam to say the birthdays. Happy birthday to Aditi B.
Happy birthday to Shavana B.
Happy birthday to Camden C.
And Connor W.
And Arno Y.
Happy birthday to our Eagles out there. We hope that you have a great birthday.
Now it's time to stand for the Pledge of the Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you, Eagles. Lunch has to be my favorite part of the day. Kit, what are you having for lunch?
I'm having a sandwich. How about you?
I packed a salad.
Let's take a couple of minutes and see who's letting us know what is for lunch today.
This is Elia and Luke reporting for today's lunch.
For your main entree, you can have beef or cheese nachos, cottage and pizza, or chicken sandwich.
You can have subs, salads, sandwiches, fruits and vegetables, or your choice of milk.
Mini breakfast entree.
Choice of cereal or grain, fruit and vegetable, juice, and choice of milk.
Yay! Good.
Make sure to always thank the lunch staff, who work hard to give us delicious food every day.
Now let's head over to Ellie in the green screen Doppler weather studio for today's weather report.
Thanks, ladies. Today's weather has a high of 80 and a chilly low of 58. There's a 72% chance of thunderstorms today, so make sure to stay dry outside there, Eagles. In Fairbanks, Alaska, there's a high of 64 and a low of 47. Throughout the day, it will be partly cloudy. That's all I have for today's weather, so let's take it back to the studio with Kit and Madeline.
Thank you, Ellie, for that awesome weather report. I'm glad that we still have a few days left of summer weather here in Ohio. Next segment is one of my favorites.
I like it too.
Let's roll Mr. Meta's Best Thing. We always love those videos. If you sent a video to Mr. Meta through Schoology, you'll be on the news tomorrow.
My favorite video today was the panda. It was super cute.
I really like the panda too.
Hey
everybody, it's time for Trivia!
Let's go over to Audrey to find out what today's trivia question is.
Thank you and welcome to Trivia. I'm Audrey and yesterday's question was, name something about going on vacation that's a big hassle. The top answers were packing and unpacking for 59 points, airports and flying for 7 points, money/the cost for 7 points, driving/traffic for 6 points, boarding the pets for 5 points, and finally for 4 points, your kid/spouse. Congrats to Vogue, Sloan, Balls, Nicolosi, Pulliam, Diekman, Hahn, Brown, Meyer, Harris, Sagel, Floenkamp, Vickers, Osborne, Holzer, and Campbell for scoring the most points on yesterday's question. Now for today's trivia. Name something that might really annoy Santa when he comes to your house. Again, name something that might really annoy Santa when he comes to your house. Send 2 answers to Mr. Meta to try to score the most points available. That's all for trivia. Let's take it back to the studio.
Thank you, Audrey, and good luck, teachers.
Trivia is always fun, and we are going to start changing it up a little later in the show. Now, here are today's daily announcements.
Hey guys, this is Lil Cece. Just to remind you that tomorrow is Hat Day! And please say please and thank you in the lunchroom.
Thank you for keeping us filled in on what's happening around the school. Teachers, if you have any announcements that need to be announced, send them to Mr. Meta.
This year, Eagle News is posted on Schoology and therefore goes out to the parents, so send us anything that you may feel is important for us to share.
A couple of new announcements. Tomorrow. Wait. Sports announcements. 7th grade football lost to Berkshire. 7th grade volleyball lost, and 8th grade volleyball won to Marysville.
Parents, don't forget that curriculum night is tomorrow night at 6:30 p.m. here at Hyatt's. In 8th grade, there is a DC meeting in the Commons at 5:45. That's all we have for you today with Eagle News, and we will be back with more awesome news tomorrow.
My name is Kit.
My name is Madeline.
My name is Ellie.
And my name is Audrey.
Have a great day, Eagles, and come back tomorrow for some more Eagle News.
Bye!
I am a Hyatt's Eagle. I will be brave, strong, helpful, and kind. I will fly high so I may understand other perspectives. I will be loyal and fierce in my convictions. I will spread my wings and travel far and wide. I'm a member of a special family that will always be a part of me. I am a Hyatt's Eagle.